Principles of democracy and international law accepted by all the governments and nations. This plan is a good alternative to the failed and destabilizing plans such as the Deal of the Century and Abraham Accords. Until the time this important goal is achieved, the Islamic Republic of Iran considers its duty to support the resistance of the Palestinian people against this fake regime as much as possible and support them to achieve the legitimate and legal rights. Iran considers the basic and vital principle of resistance to be the only way to win and to completely liberate the land of Palestine from the hands of Zionist demons. While commemorating Quds Day and reiterating the need for the establishment of an independent Palestinian state based upon the proposed plan, I announce that Iran and Pakistan are committed to protect Palestinian rights, and the two brotherly countries share a close position and policy on the issue of Palestine and Quds. Quds Day is a growing global campaign to condemn violence, massacre, and discrimination, to assert the rights of the Palestinian people, and to defend the right to self-determination. The Islamic Republic of Iran underscores the importance of the complete freedom of Palestine as a pivotal issue of the Islamic world, and has emphasized the necessity of confronting the occupation and expansionism of the Zionist regime. It invites all Muslims and free people all over the world to join the campaign of the International Quds Day. Wassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah.